Yeah, this is one of my beautiful talents, making chin chin. It's very simple, you know. Look at the one I've already fried. Try this one. Um, there's nothing I cannot do. Just name that thing and pew, I'll do it right away. This is a chin chin made this morning. This one is still on the fire. This is the last batch. The last one I'm frying. Sorry guys, I didn't show you earlier. But I'll show you when I mix the flour and the ingredients I put and when I was frying the first one. As you can see, it's changing color now. Just small thing. I want it to get brown a little, then I'll bring it out from the oil.